Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy spring. I haven't seen you guys in a long time, but I was not happy with my March bullet journal spread, the first one that I just showed you. So I kind of just scrapped everything and redid it into this cute like little succulent cactus theme. So I'm not done with that month yet. Well, this month yet. But right now I'm actually making this travel page. I saw it on Pinterest and I will have my Pinterest board linked below. I have a whole bunch of different pins on there, so go check it out. But it's a list, like I guess an essentials list, and then you can, right now I'm writing in the like where you can put in the vacation that you're going on, and then there are just like the basic essentials. I always forget them, so this is perfect for someone like me if you forget like the basic things like your toothbrush. But yeah, I thought that would be really beneficial to my bullet journal, but I wish I added it in sooner or saw it sooner. So if you guys have any other suggestions for key bullet journal pages, please let me know down below because I love things like that. And also I just bought the Kelly Creates pens. I think these are the medium color or the medium sized ones, and then I also bought a 3-pack of the black sized ones. Well, not black sized, but I bought a 3-pack of the black solid black pens, and they're in 3 different sizes. And this is my cat Coconut saying hi because like she has to. So for my month of April, my theme is like an umbrella, and I did not create this design originally. It is credited to whoever created it first. I found it on Pinterest, also linked below. I kind of am not that happy with it. I don't really like the combination of pink and black, but it just kind of happened to be pink and black. So I don't know, give me some suggestions below of what May should be. That would be fun. You guys gave me suggestions and then like voted on them or something. But yeah, I don't really know. I always lack creativity when I'm trying to figure out what theme I want to do, and then I don't even stick with the theme when I do my weekly spreads, so I'm like all over the place. I don't know. And now I'm just going to do another umbrella, because why not? And I've done this smaller calendar before. I love it. It's just more compact. I hate wasting a whole 2 pages for a big calendar. And then I kind of have like a lot of boxes on these 2 pages because I'm doing something cool with one of the pages. I'm like cutting it in half. So I don't really know what to put in all of the boxes. Someone give me some suggestions. I'll probably figure it out by, April starts because it's like the end of March right now, but I don't know. I just have all these boxes and I was so excited, but I have no idea what to do with them. And you can see here I have that cool little like half page I found on Pinterest, again, linked below. Just go to my bullet journal 2018 board. But I thought it was really cool, but it kind of sticks up and I don't know, kind of annoys me, kind of doesn't. I think it looks cool. And I can use like the paper that I cut out for like a cover up or something because I hate like cutting pages for no reason, So these are all the boxes that I was talking about. Don't mind my head. A lot of boxes, don't know what to do with half of them. I did fill them out by the end, but I don't know if I will actually use all of them. But yeah, it was kind of fun. I also need a new pen because does anyone else have this problem? Like when they use their Staedtler pen too long, it gets kind of like sharp and then doesn't write anymore, and I have to go over my stuff like 3 or 4 times. Kind of weird. I don't know. So now this is what I'm working on now is my outfit tracker, and then on the left page is my expenses tracker, and I was actually using it last month. Go me! I've never used it as much as I did last month, and I'm so happy. And also I've had the outfit tracker on my weekly spreads every single week, and it was driving me nuts because it's a pain in the butt to write. So was the habit tracker every single week. I don't know why I did that, but I'm doing it a simpler way now where I don't have to draw every single line, every single box. I don't know why I did that. But I found Bujo Blossoms, Bujo_blossoms on Instagram, was kind of doing the same habit tracker as I was, but wasn't drawing every single line. So I kind of thought that I was crazy for doing that, which I was. But presto, that's my outfit and expenses trackers. So this is my weekly spread, also totally inspired, and 100% credit goes to Bujo_blossoms on Instagram. I absolutely love her pages. They're so, it's not like that they're compact, they're structured, and I love structured anything. Everything has a place, and I don't know, I really like the first weekly spread I did for, right there I just messed up, as you can see. I really like the first spread for March that I worked on. So I might do that after this first week of April. I might do the next one, that like older spread. Yeah, I really like her layouts. They're really, really nice, so definitely check her out. She doesn't know I'm saying any of this because like I have 100 followers, so she doesn't know who I am. But yeah, her spreads are amazing and her designing is really awesome too. But I'm sorry for half of the pages being like cut off on the top and bottom. My camera does not tell me correctly because it kind of has this like opacity line on the top and bottom, and I thought that I can still see my bullet journal and everything underneath that. Like I didn't think that was the end of the image on the screen. So I apologize for that. I will fix that next time. I will fix that for next time, definitely, because it was driving me nuts when I was filming because I couldn't like really tell if I was in the shot or whatever. Maybe I just need a new camera. I don't know. I have the Nikon J1, J3, Nikon 1 J3, something like that. Nobody's ever heard of it, but I got it cheap off of Groupon, refurbished. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. That was my March flip through and April plan with me. I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so go subscribe, like, comment, and share with all of your friends, and I will see you guys next week for a raglan sweater knit tutorial. And it's super easy for beginners, so I hope to see you guys there. Bye!